Today, our guests experience something truly special, learning how to make Canang sari, a sacred daily offering in Balinese Hindu culture. Canang sari is made as a symbol of gratitude to God for the blessing of life. Every part of the offering has deep meaning, especially the color of the flowers, which represents different direction, gods, and natural elements. White flowers are placed in the east, symbolizing God Iswara, the guardians of air, representing purity and a clear mind. Red flowers go into the south, symbolizing God Brahma, the guardian of fire, representing energy and passion. Black or purple are places in the north, symbolizing God Vishnu, the guardians of water, representing life and prosperity. Yellow flowers go in the west, symbolizing God Mahadeva, the guardian of earth, representing balance and stability. And in the center, all of color unite, symbolizing God Shiva, the guardians of ether or space, representing harmony and the balance of the universe. With the guardians of the kind Balinese woman, our guides carefully arrange each flower with love and devotion. It's more than just making an offering. It's about understanding the beauty of balance, gratitude, and connection with the nature. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you would love to experience Bali's spiritual and culture beauty, you can book your tour at our website, or you can contact us directly on our WhatsApp. You can check it on our bio. Don't forget to follow us for more meaningful culture experience in Bali. Bye-bye.